Every day, AI is learning, evolving, and making decisions sometimes faster than humans can even comprehend. Imagine a machine that doesn't just follow orders but can think, plan, and act on its own. This isn't science fiction anymore. This is Agentic AI, and it's changing the very fabric of our future. If you think AI is just about chatbots and recommendation engines, think again. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll understand how Agentic AI could transform everything from business to personal life and why it might soon make decisions without humans even asking. Agentic AI is a system that can set goals, make decisions, and take actions autonomously. Unlike narrow AI, which performs specific tasks like recommending a movie or recognizing faces, Agentic AI can operate independently, evaluate complex scenarios, and determine the best course of action. For example, imagine an AI that can run an entire online business, optimize marketing campaigns, hire staff, and scale operations without human intervention. The possibilities are enormous. Its key features include autonomy, meaning it can make decisions independently without human instructions, goal-oriented behavior, where it sets objectives based on desired outcomes, learning and adaptation, allowing it to improve its performance over time, strategic planning, thinking several steps ahead to anticipate challenges, and integration, connecting with multiple systems to execute complex tasks. Picture futuristic AI interfaces, digital brains, flowcharts of decision-making, robots executing tasks, and autonomous AI agents making decisions in real time. Agentic AI's implications for society are profound. Economically, it could replace repetitive jobs but also create new industries and opportunities. In healthcare, AI could diagnose patients, plan treatments, and manage care autonomously, making healthcare more efficient and personalized. Education could be revolutionized by personalized AI tutors that adapt to each student's learning style automatically. However, the rise of autonomous AI raises ethical and control concerns. Who is accountable for the decisions it makes? How do we ensure fairness and prevent harm? These questions are more urgent than ever. Before we go further, if you're fascinated by the future of AI and want more videos breaking down advanced tech in simple ways, hit subscribe and turn on notifications. Join thousands who are staying ahead of the curve. But as exciting as Agentic AI is, there are challenges and risks. Loss of human control is a major concern. AI may make decisions without humans fully understanding its reasoning. Bias and ethics are critical issues, as AI learns from data, and biased data can lead to harmful outcomes. Security risks are another challenge. Autonomous AI could be hacked or misused for malicious purposes. And finally, unintended consequences are always possible. An AI may pursue goals in ways humans did not anticipate, causing disruptions. Visualize AI systems misbehaving, warning signs flashing, or unexpected consequences of autonomous decision-making. Looking forward, Agentic AI is expected to transform logistics, finance, research, and everyday life in the next 5 to 10 years. Emerging frameworks for safe AI governance are being developed to ensure AI systems remain beneficial, but human oversight will always be crucial. Agentic AI is entering our workplaces, homes, and society. The question isn't whether it will impact our lives but how prepared we are to interact with and guide it responsibly. Will AI make life easier, or will it challenge human control too much? Comment your thoughts below. If you enjoyed this deep dive, like this video, share it with friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights into the technologies shaping our world. The future is being written now, and Agentic AI is one of its most exciting chapters.